Hello everyone, welcome to Thesis 123. I learn and teach online. Now I am going to teach you how to use symbols in Matplotlib. It is a part of the formatting of Matplotlib. So I am going to discuss about subscript, superscript, Greek characters, etc. Let us see this figure. I have a figure with a is superscript of x and subscript a is subscript of y, and also I have used some symbol, some real number, some capital lambda, small lambda, capital phi, small phi, small delta, capital delta, like that, and also I have used some other infinity, some other symbols like this. So how to use all these things, we will see that. Let us see, coming to the subscript. If you want to represent one character as subscript, then v subscript of a, then use v underscore a. So it is like v underscore of this for the subscript you use. For example, if it is a string, if you have more than one or two characters, then you have to use the v subscript of ab is there. So that is v underscore of, you have to use the curly braces in that, curly braces ab. Similarly, for the superscript, if you have a single character, then use upper cap, then that is v superscript a is nothing but v upper cap a. And similar in the, you have to use in the text, that is like in a x label, y label, or title, or text, g text, or text, something like that. And for the superscript of, if you have a string or more than 1 2 letters, then you have to use upper cap with a square curly braces. You have to use the whatever you want to use as a superscript. Here v superscript of ab I have used, that is nothing but v cap of curly braces ab you have to use. And let us how to use the Greek letters. So you have to use Greek letters with a slash, backslash with the name of the Greek letter you have to use. So that is the format in the string where you want to use that Greek letter. In that string you have to use slash, it is gamma if it is slash gamma, or if you have delta, slash delta. And if you want to use lower Greek letter, then the first letter of the that Greek letter should be small letter. So then it will as a small. So here slash of gamma, it is less, then it is a small gamma, a small Greek letter, that is lower Greek letter. Similarly, if you want to use upper Greek letter, then you have to use the first letter as a, in the representative of Greek letter, you have to use the first letter as a capital letter. So then it is a capital gamma, so it is upper gamma wheel. Coming to what are the different Greek letters are used in MATLAB. So these are all the possible, and also you can also get other options like by UI control. But here UI code, Unicode we call. But here the all possible symbols are given here. So all the Greek letter, alpha, beta, gamma, something, all this one. And also you can see the some symbols here, the club suit, diamond suit, heart suit, spade suit, something like arrows. You want to represent in arrows, and you want to see the real numbers, and epsilon, and phi, plus or minus, something like almost all a subset, superset, cap, and copyright, etc. There are many number of there are number of Greek characters are given in the MATLAB, so which you can use for your plots. Let us take one example. So in this example, I have taken a ax and ay, and correspondingly I have written as a plot of a comma y. So these two are plotted, and just more we have this I think all of you know, but here I am specifically this a upper cap of x means a superset of x, and superscript of x, and a underscore of y is nothing but a subscript of y. So it is with the font size of 18. So here if it comes to here, for the when you use the color for the all the text, then automatically that color of the Greek letters also changes. So here I have changed the color to red, and also font size to 18. And in the case of delta, font weight I have used as a bold. So font weight of the delta is changed to bold color, along with the one sign of delta is there. And here lambda is 18, and also font angle, you can also use lambda is font angle italic. So here lambda is also italic here, and like this we can use all possible whatever you apply this what you call formatting to the text, it automatically applies to the Greek letters. So coming to the, just I have written already this code here, so that I am just copying it and pasting in the command window of the MATLAB. So here I am just executing this. So here if you see that, so first is a superscript of y, subscript of x. Cos of phi, if the phi is small Greek letter, lower Greek letter you can call upper Greek letter. And similarly you have a sin delta, delta, capital delta, you have delta, no, this is okay. So this is lower lambda, is upper lambda, and then you have real numbers, you have arrows, you have some symbols, you can use symbols, and infinity. So like this we can use in a part. And not only that, we can also use outside of the finger, this side also we can use. I run this same one, so I'm getting like this. So here, wherever you want, you can use all the values, just use all the symbols. Okay, like this also you can use outside, not only inside of the figure, you can also use outside of the window also you can use. Now coming to this one, so I want to just here the same as how the symbols has to be used. I have used one more program. Here the difference is just, and also used minus pi to less than or equal to x less than or equal to pi. So this is I have used x label is minus, this is the one symbol for pi is the Greek letter, less than or equal to, this is less than or equal to, and x, it is italic one, so I have used x as italic one. And sometime in the earlier we have used the for font size, graph of the sine function comma font size comma 16 we have used. So but we can also use the this way also we can use the outside also we can represent the slash font size of 16, and similarly slash bold of this function, this complete text should be bold, and here italic one. So this whatever the text it is given, it is italic. So in both the ways we can use. And then as I told you already, the G text also we can use the font weight and bold, something this way also we can use. Instead of using this way, this bold italic font weight the outside, we can also use inside. I am just using this program. So this is the program I have already written for. Just you people can visit my site, and you can just you can cite and you can see the what is the code we have written. And similarly for next example, and next example, just I want to show how I can represent a symbol Greek letter inside the plot here by use at a particular location. So I have used the text of minus pi by 4 to sine of minus pi by 4. That means minus pi by 4 is somewhere here, and the sign of that value is this location. So at this point I am using left arrow, sign of pi by divided by 4. So divided by 4 I have used, and I have used x label is, so I have used minus pi less than or equal to theta is this one, less than or equal to pi. So like that I have used. So like this. So and also similarly I am ticking the labels to the x axis here. So it is the, I am going to discuss in how to get the axis of the current plot. So get the current axis. So where I am setting the current axis plot axis to minus pi to pi with the increments of pi by 2. So that is you tick the x label with minus pi, this is minus pi, pi by 2, pi minus pi by 2, 0, pi by 2, and pi. So like this we can use the Greek letters. We can also use superscripts, subscripts in the MATLAB plot itself. And thank you very much for watching this video, and please subscribe to this channel for the future videos. And if you have any queries, please email to info@thesis123.com, and also visit our site for the student project ideas. Don't forget to click below the video and like and give the feedback. Thank you and happy time.